In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your customers can pay invoices online quickly and securely. Before we start, it helps to be signed in with an admin or a role that can change payment settings and to have your business email ready. Using a modern browser will also make the process smoother. First, open Zoho Books and sign in to the organization where you want to accept payments. If you manage multiple organizations, glance at the organization name at the top of the screen to be sure you're in the right one. From the main dashboard, let everything load fully so the settings area appears as expected. Next, look for the Settings button. This is the gear icon, typically located at the top right or bottom left depending on your layout. Click it to open the full settings panel. Think of this area as your control center for organization details, taxes, templates, and, most importantly for today, online payment configurations. Inside Settings, choose Customer Payments. This is the section that controls how your customers pay you as opposed to how you pay vendors. Selecting Customer Payments takes you to the online payment options that Zoho Books can enable on your invoices and in the customer portal. If you don't immediately see Customer Payments, use the Settings search bar and type Payments to jump straight there. On the Customer Payments page, click Set Up Now. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the business email you want associated with payment notifications and confirmations. Use an address that's monitored by your finance or billing team so you never miss important updates. After you enter your email, proceed with the on-screen prompts. Zoho Books uses this step to connect your account to its online payment features and to make sure the right contact information is tied to your payment activity. A few quick tips as you complete this screen. Make sure your organization profile in Zoho Books is accurate, including company name, address, and base currency, since providers often rely on that information. Be aware that availability and fees vary by region and provider, so review terms carefully when prompted. If your team uses roles and permissions, confirm that the right people have access to view or manage payments. That's it. You opened Zoho Books, went into Settings, selected Customer Payments, and clicked Set Up Now to enter your email. Once setup is complete, your invoices can display a Pay Now option, helping you get paid faster with fewer manual steps. If anything looks different in your interface, follow the same path through Settings to Customer Payments, and Zoho's on-screen guidance will walk you through the rest.